Today we'll be going over this text behind subject effect and this text animation effect easily here in Final Cut Pro. Here on the screen is our website www.b3-studios.com where you can find plenty of plugins. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but all in all they will help your Final Cut Pro workflow and make your job easier in Final Cut Pro. Now let's get right on into the video for today. Alright, to start off this effect, what we're gonna do here, let's just play this clip out. It's just a shot of the sea and the sun. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make a duplicate of this clip right here. So I'm gonna hold Option and drag up. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the Effects tab and I'm going to go find Mask and Keying. And this is it right here. We're gonna drag that onto our top clip. And we're gonna just zoom out just a little bit to about 25. And we're just gonna mask along this line right here, because that's where we kind of want our effect to take place. I'm just gonna draw a little bit around, zoom in a little bit. Just try to go along that mountain as best as you can. All right, once you have your mask, now you can zoom back in and you can press Control T to bring up a title. And I am just going to make some adjustments to the title. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna change it to bold, Helvetica bold. And I'm gonna put it in all caps. We can just put water for this first effect. And I'm just gonna make this bold and give it a drop shadow. All right, looks pretty good. Now what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna drag this title in between our two clips. And now we have it behind our subject. But it doesn't look the best right now, so we're gonna make some adjustments on the mask. We're gonna feather the mask a little bit. So we can just play around with it. As you can see, it's already looking better. It looks really nice right there. And from here you can make adjustments with the scale of your text. Like this. And as we can play this back, it looks pretty good. You can even put it kind of even lower. If you hold this, if you click on this transform button right here, if you don't see that, you can go to the drop down arrow and click transform. And you can just put it down a little bit lower just to make it look like it's in the water. See, that's pretty cool right there. Really good effects. Now we're gonna go over a really cool text animation effect. This does not come with Final Cut Pro, but this is a very cool effect for you guys sticking around. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to our titles, and I'm gonna link this in the description for you to go check out. And I'm just gonna go to my titles. When you download this, this is gonna be in your titles. And this is gonna be the B3 Studios Rising animation. All right. So I'm just gonna drag that in between these two clips. I'm gonna play with the scale. Get it a bit bigger. Play with the scale even more. All right. Make it even bigger. It's good right there. Like I said, you can just write anything you want, but this is just an example. We're just doing a tutorial. So as you play this back, this is the animation right here. Pretty cool effect right there. It definitely brings the video to life and keeps your viewers engaged. This effect does have parameters where you can adjust how the animation is. As you can see here, there are plenty of parameters for the text, the layout method, the rotation, the scale, the opacity. There's a lot of things that you can do. You can ease in and out, constant, or accelerate or decelerate. So there's definitely plenty of options. So just make sure you guys go check this out. That's it for today, guys. Comment any other tutorials you would like to see. And again, go ahead and visit the website, www.b3-studios.com, where we have plenty of plugins for you to take advantage of and enhance your Final Cut Pro workflow. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys soon. All right, thank you. Bye.